Walking through the mountains with CJ.
Oh, I got a good fish. A giant. Out here at Scott's Flat, about to do some good fishing. Mainly going bass fishing. I got 8 rods rigged up. The lake's like 20 feet lower than it usually is, so it'll be interesting. See what's available to fish. I'm excited though. Got out here a little early. It's like 6:30, 7 o'clock at the latest. Got lunch packed. Got all the gear. All right, let's hit the water. One trout. Another trout. That's 2 trout. If I see one more, I might. There's another one. Alright. Oh, damn, there's a giant. There goes a giant fish. That was cool. Wow, that was like a freaking, like a giant trout. Yeah, there's a bunch of trout back in here. Go ahead and put my camera in my underwater case and get some close-ups of these trout. Oh, I got a good fish. A giant bass. Oh, look at that largemouth. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that baby. I just caught my new PB. Oh, I just caught my new PB in California. Hell yeah. That's what persistence will do for you. Oh man, I haven't got a single bite, and out of nowhere I seen a giant rock pile. Nailed him. Big old largemouth. Look at the size of that fish. Fuck yeah. Let's get him in the net. I don't want him to thrash out of my hands. Oh, thank you so much, sweetheart. She ate the hell out of that jig, and I just set the hook on her, and I was just like, oh my gosh, if this is a bass, this is a giant. Look at the size of that freaking fish, dude. Look at the size of that largemouth bass. That is a tank. Oh man, if she was spawning, that would be like a 10-pounder. I bet she's like 5, maybe 6. That's my biggest largemouth in California so far. Let's go ahead and get her on the scale ASAP. Oh my gosh. That was so cool. So I got this Bass Pro scale. All right, it's zeroed out. $4.9. Look at the size of that fish, dude. $4.9. Almost a 5-pound bass. Probably a 6-pounder whenever she got spawned. Oh, $4.9. Let's throw her on the catch board and see how long she is. This is the catch board. Oh my gosh. Thought she was about to fly out of the net. $19 inches. That's a big bass. Oh, heck yeah. Hold her up for my rear camera one more time. There she goes. 4.9. That's a giant fish. Oh, heck yeah. That's a beauty. Ate a half-ounce jig. Look at the size of this largemouth bass I just caught. Oh man, shaking. This is so cool. She ate the jig and held it and was swimming with it, and I just set the hook. I thought I had a catfish. It was big head shakes. What a beautiful bass. I'm gonna get the release on her here in just a moment. Say goodbye. She wasn't even fishing. She's out of this beautiful clean water. That was awesome. 4-pounder off a rock pile. That's a good way to spend your day on a Saturday. That's for dang sure. Not bad at all. Oh man, that was so nice. So I just caught a new PB in California, that's for sure. I'll have to, well, I think the last one I caught at Clear Lake was like 4.3, 4 pounds, 3 ounces. And that was a 4-pound, 9-ounce largemouth bass. That was really nice. Well, today turned out to be a pretty good day. Got to go out there and do some good bass fishing. It was a grind. I didn't catch much, but I did catch that one big bass. That 4-pound, 19-inch. Yeah, largemouth bass. Besides that, I didn't catch anything. I didn't see many fish out there anyway. So I managed to get that underwater footage. That was nice. It's hot right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unload my kayak or pack my kayak up into my SUV as quickly as possible and beat feet and get out of here.
Walking through the mountains with CJ.